as you will have seen last time when we were putting this headlight vent lid on, there was no air intake. So today I'm swapping the stock air intake for this K&N one. So I don't really know exactly what K&N air intake this is. I believe it came off a Seat Leon, but it was so cheap I thought I could make it work regardless. So just picked up a 90-degree silicon elbow, which is 76mm diameter, and made up this. So this is a airflow meter to 76mm diameter adapter, and as you can see that will go on there. So once I take the standard air filter box off, this will bolt onto the airflow meter there and allow smooth air to flow into the square opening of the airflow meter. Now these are now for sale as well, made out of ABS. It's pretty tough, so most of the other plastic in here will be ABS as well. Like this. So providing you're not resting it on the heat shield, then it should be absolutely fine. So I've just given it a bit of a sand at the back, and there is a gasket on there as well just to make sure, but that should work absolutely fine. So in order to take this off, it's just a couple of hose clamps at either end of the air filter box. So one here, down here, all the bolts take it out, and as you can see I've already started loosening things. So yeah, this is where the actual air intake is now. So having it come through here and into the pod filter that will be around here somewhere shouldn't be any different, or it should sound nicer at the very least than just having it pick up from inside the wing. So because this car's got ABS, this module's here, it's kind of in the way where I wanted to run the hose. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that plate upside down, which is previously where the air box sat. So that should raise that up like a little pedestal, and then I should be able to turn the airflow meter 90 degrees and have it vertical, which should allow me to run this past this corner and have the pod filter sort of here-ish, and then just hope that it clears the bonnet. So it should sit in this area and it should be absolutely fine. So I'm just going to quickly do that and see how it fits. High, but it's not too bad. There we go, just adjusted it slightly so this sits just a little bit lower. You can see how that's working there. This sits on there quite nicely, and there's a hole there that was previously used for the air filter box. So I'm just going to use a metal cable tie around there to clamp that down onto that and keep it in place, and then let's use another one from this bracket across over there, and that should stop it from rattling around. We'll have to see how that works, and hopefully it sounds pretty good. watching.